right now, we're an internationally growing company. And so we have experts from around the globe that are accessing our platforms and our portals to be able to do their work. Being able to use an AI bot allows me to answer things while we're sleeping, get people way quicker responses than we would if we were waiting for a human to interact on a lot of those tickets.
One of the things that we realized is that we were getting a lot of questions just on basic how do I, like almost FAQ type questions. Serval is able to just close the ticket right away without even us getting involved at all.
We had a few unofficial database administrators where whenever anyone in the company wanted to run something directly against the production database, you had to just reach out to one of these people and like hope that they would agree to run your thing.
They were basically using a Slack channel to try to field as many support things as they could. And it was really tough because there was definitely things falling through the cracks. And with how much AI has taken off, I really wanted to put a ticketing queue system in place that was based on AI from the ground up, and not something that was kind of cobbled on to any other sort of, ticket managing system that would be an issue.
It became really obvious very quickly that Serval was going to make things a lot easier for all of us. I was able to write my first Serval workflow, demo that to the team, get feedback really quickly, tweak it, and within the same day, it was automating tickets for us, which was awesome.
As I was building the workflows in natural language, I could then go and see exactly what the code was. I'll just pop open a little sidebar. So being able to see exactly how it was going to work really made a difference in terms of some of the other competitors in the space.
The upfront cost or the fixed cost of setting up Serval is near zero. Over time, the marginal benefit continues to increase and increase and increase and compound and compound and compound, because Serval is able to basically learn from the way that tickets are being handled in that Slack channel and suggest guidance to the team leads about, you just replied with this like support link. Should I just start replying with the support link on your behalf? And then you could just hit, yeah, that sounds good. And then all of a sudden, 50% of our tickets automatically are now getting handled by Serval.
We were able to onboard at least 3,000 to 4,000 customers using Serval, and it only took minutes to get them onboarded with their Google accounts.
Now that we have Serval managing a lot of the tasks that used to take a lot of time, the team's able to focus more on tasks that drive value, that drive growth, and help scale our systems.
Serval can grow with your team and make suggestions about how to handle those issues. If the cost of having that, effectively AI coworker to sit next to you and help support your team is near zero to set up from the start, might as well just do it now, right?
I love to show my metrics around how many tickets are being handled automatically. I've got our zero-touch tickets up over around 50%, so that's zero human interaction at all. Anytime I start building a new tech stack at a company now, it will always definitely include Serval. At the core of IT, operations is just the most important thing. And being able to automate this much of my day-to-day operational tickets means that we have time to focus on everything else that's important to helping the business grow.